This is basically we are here to take demo for paperless GMP, and the software has been developed under guidance of Cyclone Pharmaceuticals Private Limited and developed by Paperless GMP Software Private Limited. These both organized, Cyclone Pharmaceuticals Private Limited is in pharmaceutical industry for last 10 years, and the technocrats who are associated with Cyclone Pharmaceuticals Private Limited are already worked in industry for more than 18-20 years, and all peoples who are involved are shop floor, so they knows all details of quality system and quality management. So this software basically has been developed based on this platform for developing this software is Angular JS Node, and background database has been used is Microsoft MySQL. So basically, this is we can provide this software cloud-based, plus we can create internal server for all the database and all things. So in this software, most secure advanced security features have been included so that it cannot be cracked by or it cannot be hijacked. And for the purpose, whatever entries or whatever clicks we are doing on this, whatever forms we are submitting, for every click or every entry, we are generating individual and independent token for every user. So that token will have all user information. We have used this one. Secondly, for security purpose, we can block MAC IDs of all PCs or mobiles. And advanced feature of this software is we can take up this software, entire software. We can take up entire software on Android application also, so that whoever are your key personnels or key professionals of your organization, they can use for approval purpose or for monitoring the data, monitoring your software activities. They can use Android application as well when they are traveling outside. This can be very much easily used on tabs, and no very big infrastructure or very big configuration pieces are required for this. So you can give simple 4 GB configuration tabs to the key persons who are working in department for data entry, and also not having any huge infrastructure or anything to be involved in this. So these are basics about technology used for this software. So now we will go directly to the software demo. So this is the main screen of this software. Here you can see a dashboard, and we are giving for day-to-day operations some notifications from HR department or any other department or management we can display here. From your HO also you can put any message from directors or anyone. Then as a part of regular curriculum activities, today's birthdays or reminders, any events are there that you can display here. And task manager for the your login or the user, you can display here. And any notes if you want to make, that also is possible here. So you can see now this is main dashboard. So we have covered this in parts like management, general administration, technical, quality system, and others. So we will start from first general things like management, marketing, planning, human resource, admin, and then we will start with the technical things and the software flow for pharmaceutical industry. So this is, we are making this software very much, which can be, you can say, user friendly, so that any kind of dosage form, let it be API, let it be formulation, or let it be medical devices, with minor customization, you can use this as well. This is now what a demo I am showing. This is ready with me for formulation. So it may not be matching exactly with your product or exactly with the steps of production, but this is production part. But quality systems, quality control, entire flow, that is as per regulations and guidelines prescribed by regulatory authorities. So this is management dashboard. So for management, we are giving entire access, and if you want in future any other data to be fetched from software, which shall be visible to management or visible to your key persons. So this is management dashboard. From HR or admin, you can see employee reports, complete employee data. You can see here, whoever employee joining, all the data of the employee, you can see here. Attendance summary by day wise, you can select attendance, you can view attendance summary remotely. Salary reports you can access from here. Total man working hours you can access from here. In production reports, whatever you are manufacturing, if you are having multiple dosage forms or multiple products, also can be compiled here. So total production report, you can take it, whatever parameters we will give, we will customize according to your need. Then total dispatch reports of the day or of the month, you can see here. Yield analysis of your products. Total purchases, you can see here. GMP inspections, which is nowadays necessary part for day-to-day GMP inspection. So total failure observations or any kind of deviations, any kind of non-compliances, that will reflect here. And we had given management review meetings. So management can announce review meeting for quality systems. So these meetings will appear here, and whoever you want to call for meeting, you have to add the manager's names here. So you can go on adding managers' names. So to the department, whatever departments you want to call, their managers will appear here, and meeting agenda, you can decide at your own date and timing of meeting representatives. And then meeting log or meeting report you can view from here. So this is entire dashboard: attendance, total purchases, under production report, total QMS reports. After management, we will go going to see marketing department here: client management, lead management, proposal management, received PO entry, work order to planning, market complaint handling, product list, technical document request, dossier, DMA, PP, anything you want to request from regulatory department, product report, and customer feedback. Dr. Shiva, as per your last suggestion, we have added customer feedback also here.
Great.
So, and the quality management systems, relevant documents which are needs to be signed or needs to be verified by cross-functional department. Many reports from deviations or change controls are coming to marketing department also, or internal audit purpose also. Marketing department wish to share certain internal audits reports to their clients. So that have been shared here. So in client management, you can have entire report. Client list you can view here, and documents which are coming from client. Lead management, you can add leads from this tab. And you will find here entire report for the leads which are generated. Plus status of inquiry. Inquiry action we have given here. Here you can see whatever inquiries have been generated. You can add on daily basis, you can add report here. So whatever action you have taken, you have replied through mail, or and every document, every action will have separate, and it will be considered as separate entity in software. And you can view this entire action, and you can track what actions your employees or your marketing team is taking on the leads. So they have to just select the inquiry, client name, and whatever action they are taking, their remark, and submit it. So you can generate report date-wise, report client-wise. So after this, so market complaint handling we have given here. Then received POs from client, you can enter. Proposal, you can make customized proposals for client. Work orders for planning department can be sent from here directly. And market complaint handling, whatever products are there, that products will reflect here with all technical documents like specifications or product portfolio. So on one click, they can send, only putting email ID of the client, they can send directly to the client whatever required documents client is asking for. Technical document request to QA department, if client wants certain COAs or certain specific documents from technical department or QA department, that can be asked from here. And dossier DMF documents, then production report, they can see whatever status of their production, whatever their client's production is going on. Inquiries have been bifurcated, like tenders, institutional, domestic, export. So these are all customized part. So whatever your product and whatever you are giving data, which we can put here. After marketing, we will visit planning department. So planning requisitions, availability of materials, you can check here. Request for new bill of material, if planning departments wants to give request for additional batch sizes or new formulations, that can be requested to R&D department from here. Then current plans are visible here. They can make production planning from here. Then material purchase status, planning status, work order from for planning department. Shortages, they can check from here. They prepare plan, approved plan, and in process plans. So we are customizing this for one of our client, and within 1 or 2 days, maybe by Tuesday, and you can see all the forms accordingly, because this is required to have process data and entire production flow of the client. So we can manage all these things here. Software planning, human resource department, we have made this completely digital. You need not to handle any paperwork for any interview or any kind of appointments, offer letters, or joining forms or anything. So these entire things are made here very much clear. That recruitment, new candidate, you can add new candidates from here. Once you are adding new candidate, that candidate will, when you are adding new candidate, candidates will appear here for interview, and you can schedule his interview or candidate's interview from this portal. So candidate will have mail ID, mail or SMS for the interview venue, interview timing, and you can select for which department that candidate is coming for interview and submit it. After this, that candidate will be appearing for allocation of the interview. So from here, whatever candidate you have selected, that what the candidate name will appear here, which department you are going to select is candidate's designation, or which designation you are asking to join this kind of, you are going to take interview for this candidate, and the employee who is going to take interview. So once you are adding this one, our employee will get text message or email, or he can see on his portal also, he will get alert that you are having pending interview. Then when candidate will appear for interview. So here, whoever waiting candidates are there, that candidates will appear here, their qualifications and all these basic details. Then interviewer can fill up the entire data while taking interview, experience, how many years experience, months experience, then key roles of the candidate, technical knowledge is average, good or excellent, then family background of the candidate, what family peoples are doing, so financial condition and financial background of the candidate, attitude of the candidate can be described shortly, confidence of the candidate, whether it is average, good or excellent, or he is overconfident. the willingness for many times our marketing peoples or technical peoples are also have to go for traveling for different sites or to meet clients. So traveling willingness you can put here, and final remark. So once you are filling this form, the offer letter you can offer the candidate. It is going for manager's review, and in manager's login you will find whether I will show that one also. So these interview forms will come for manager's review. Here this candidate will appear, and if something is pending, all these are active and completed. So if new candidate is coming, then managers will have task assignment, means whether this candidate has been selected or have to send for final interview or not. And in manager, once they are selecting the candidate, offer letter will generate. So in manager's role, we are given shift and attendance, joining and appointment. So awaiting decision. Now selected candidate will come for candidates form will come from department head to HR department, or call for final interview, keep waiting, or need this interview by senior, or rejected. Then for which department and which finally which designation that candidate is going to select. Then the joining form will appear here. So it is in manager's login. Manager has to get the person joined. So whether what leaves are applicable to the candidate or not. So whatever transport benefit, canteen benefit, or telephone benefits have been given to the candidate or not. Is final resume, current resume, you can keep it uploaded, so that if candidate is have sent at the time of recruitment, they may send some other resume, and final resume for our record we can upload here. Upload photo of candidate. Include induction training is required for this candidate or not required, that we have to mention here. If it is yes, then the candidate, while we are generating the candidate's role, that time he will find induction training form and he has to fill up the form. Permanent address, other details are there. So this all candidates are, so now this in log also you can see here, call for final interview. So status you will find selected or call for final interview, need interview by senior, or candidate rejected, that all status will appear here. Then the HR manager can generate appointment letter directly from here, whatever selected candidate is there. There, whether metro, non-metro, PF is applicable or not applicable, ESIC is applicable, not applicable, when they are putting their gross salary here. Then bonuses, if some bonuses are applicable to them, PF deduction percentage, whether what is PF deduction. Sometimes what happens, company is not going actual calculation of government, but they can customize their own, and this form can be customized according to your needs or according to your format. So all calculations will appear, and automatically this appointment letter will be generating PDF of the appointment letter. So you can directly mail it or send it along with annexure to the to concerned candidate. So induction and medical. So induction candidate, where candidates are pending for induction or completed, that report HR manager can see here. If candidates wants to send for medical checkup, here they have to just select the candidate name, physicians, from physicians master. Here you can see in user, they can add physicians master, whatever test you want to get it done for this candidate and others. Once you are submitting this one, email will go to physician directly, that these candidates will come come to your clinic for medical checkup. And payroll and salary calculations you can find here. You can download this as an Excel or some, and we can attach your whatever you, if you are having thumb swapping or thumb impression or some other machines, that reports can be directly import to our software, and direct calculations can be done. Whatever trainings are pending, that trainings can be done from here. Labor master or labor calculation, labor salary calculations can be done from here. Then government compliances and current employees data manager can see. User management, this is most important part. for our complete software running. Manager can assign daily tasks to his subordinates. So he can assign here whatever daily tasks are there. And then when we are putting this as daily task, this will appear in employees. Every manager will have this daily task in his dashboard. So they can assign daily tasks to their employees or their department employees and get it done. If some person is going for leave, while approving leave, we have to give additional responsibility to some other employees. So, or sorry, this is not for leave, but this is for if some employee is leaving company and their vacancy, their post is vacant, that time we need to give some additional responsibility to any other additional. Suppose assistant manager QA is leaving the company or manager QC is not available for 1 month. That time we can assign additional responsibility to assistant manager QA as manager QA, because without that he cannot sign the document. So delegating authority has been given. This is mandatory as per as regulations are considered. And we can assign users from here. You have to select any employee, and this employee, whether he is user, checker or approver, accordingly his role will change and the forms will float. Means if you are giving this employee as only approver, then all forms which are filled by department officers, that will directly go to approve, that will go for approval to the approver, and checker cannot approve this. Means you are shuffling the roles, then it will automatically change and documents will float accordingly. This false means the candidate is not, or employee is not having authority to open these documents or fill up the documents. True means the whoever is assigned as true, they can fill up the documents and they can write the documents, and for checker it will go for checking purpose and approval purpose. So this 3-layer user system we had given for this software, and everyone will have different login, different passwords. So it will be protected entirely. Nobody can see others' documents. Nobody can fill up others' forms. So job responsibilities can be assigned from here. So once job response, this will be user will assign this, and this will be visible to manager. Here you can see manager is not having any right to change the job responsibilities. We will go in pending. Here they can add additional job responsibilities if they want to add. So job responsibilities will be created here. So again, we are now, we will go in user management. So generally officer is the user of the department. So leave management, appraisal, promotions, resignation and relieving also has been given. If any employee wants to put resignation, this resignation will from his employee dashboard. Here is employee dashboard. From employee dashboard, he can put the resignation, and that resignation will appear here. So resignation status, whether this is accepted or rejected. Then clearance from departments. If that employee needs to take clearance from department, HR person can select that this department has to give clearance, and this form will go to directly department head. Once department head is putting remark that everything is okay, once that candidate is finalized and all formalities has completed, exit interview can be taken for this candidate by HR head, and then experience letter or all these relieving formalities can be completed from here. So we are trying to make entire HR department as digital. If you want to add certain other things or small any customized formats, or you want to change any things, any appraisal form or anything to be given, so this can be added in this. After HR department, this is admin department, labor contracts, agreements, stationery, inventory management, housekeeping material management, garden management, laundry and gowning, transport management, facility management, safety and security related things can be added here. This will be added here, and first aid management will be there. Now we will go for our main flow, that is, which will start from purchase department. And this is as per regulations, we have designed this entire flow. So a department has to put indent. So new indent for raw material, packing material, and chemicals, we have kept separate indent process. And for general things, we have stationary, engineering, spares, equipment, reference standards or impurity standards. All these general things have been kept separately. So this can be customized where you in masters you can put these indents. After indent, purchase department head or purchase officer shall add quotations for these materials, because to make purchase order, quotations which are received from our vendor shall be added here. Then they can go for purchase order creation. Here purchase order can be created from two. One is from indent and one is direct purchase order. In direct purchase order, you can manually create the purchase order. Many times it is not possible. Some circumstances may arise that it is not possible to have indent to place, or some authority or directors or somebody is in traveling, so they cannot create indent and they need this material on priority. So directly you can add quotations here and create the purchase order. Else it is directly coming from indent. If one department is giving indent for 5 materials, then 5 different purchase order will be prepared. So different purchase order, it will be by vendors, it will be bifurcated. So here this is purchase order, and here while finalizing the purchase order, factory or corporate office or go down, other delivery places you can add here. Terms and condition, you can, this is customized. So vendor to vendor or case to case, or as per payment terms and conditions can be changed from here. So after this, purchase orders will be prepared. So this is final purchase order. You can have ready purchase order for sending the clients. And vendor management is there. You can add vendor from here. So we have kept vendor management system completely digital. That once you are adding vendor from here to the email ID of vendor, one portal password will go. They can use our portal only to add all documents. If they want to add technical documents or they want to add any specific documents, their licenses, everything can be added from our portal only. They will have login ID and password in their email. You have to click the link, add, put login ID, password, and they can remotely add all the documents here. So after submission of this will go, vendor will receive a checklist, primary checklist for quality assessment. Vendor has to fill up this in our portal, and then it will come for approval to our QA department. So QA will approve this one, then audits will be scheduled or samples can be demanded. So all these things have been given digitally in vendor management portal. You can see here all purchase reports. Purchase trends, we have not added any trend here, but you can suggest us what kind of trends you want for purchases according to your material purchase habits or material purchase process. Here all approved vendors will appear. So after purchase, we will go to security, because we have raised now purchase order and material are awaiting for receiving. So material will be inwarded into security department. So it may be from purchase order or direct purchases also. If it is from purchase order, all the details will appear here from the purchase order PO number and vendor name. And transport company, whatever challan we will receive, we have to add the transport company, and vehicle number, challan number, date of challan, tax invoice number, driver's name, save this one. So material will successfully inwarded. And similar way, material outward, whatever invoices, material name, material sent to, region, quantity, inward type, outward type, outward type, returnable basis or non-returnable basis, request by transport company name from our, this will appear from our database. Then driver's name, driver's mobile number, vehicle number. So material can be outward. So here is the in time out time of the employee. This can be attached to your thumb impression machine or any card swapping machine or barcode machine also. So directly entry will appear from here. Now this manager has already logged in or entered his data. So he is not authorized to, so error will appear here. Same way employee exit, labor's entry, labor's exit, and visitor's gate pass. So any visitor is coming, you have to assign the code for the tag, category, vendor, client, or visitor or contractor. Name of the visitor you can add, visiting department, meeting with, purpose of the visit. This we can customize as directly. You can place a tab there on your security gate, and visitors also can fill up this data to avoid any access to means to avoid the delay or anything. Visitor can fill up this on gate, and this message will directly go to the department head to whom he wants to meet, and he has to just from his visit, that visitor is visiting to HR manager. HR management manager has to only visit complete, has to mention that visit completed. The person will come for directly exit. Here completed visits are there, so you can print the gate pass for the person who is visiting, and you can exit that person. So he is exited. Now here date and time appeared for exit. He has exited at 11:39. Security person wants to put any indent, or security head may have some new candidate for interview, so they can take interview from here. So this is entire security module. Then the material will arrive at stores department. So awaiting inwards, pending materials, received materials. So this is now 1, 2, 3, 4 challan number we have generated. And this challan will receive here. So all labeling details will be there: manufacturing date, expiry date, batch number, receiving quantity details, pack size, units, then challan quantity, received quantity, number of containers, and damaged container. If some damaged container is there, then the outer damage, this is outer damaged or inner damaged container, then remark has to put packing details, packing intactness, okay, not okay, outer packing, sealed, unsealed, container type, drum, bag or boxes. If it is bags, then which kind of bags are there. If this, we are selecting this drum, then which kind of drums are there, you can see here. The vehicle covered or open, COA received or not. So as per regulations, COA is mandatory for our operations, pharma operations or medical device operations. So COA has to receive, and if it is not received, then we have given two options. So accordingly, if you are going for US or anything, we have to remove this no need for deviation. COA will receive within 24 hours. And if you are going for higher regulations, then we have to go for, if COA is not there and you want to accept material, you have to raise the deviation. If COA is received, COA can be uploaded here. Then after receiving, same way, general material receiving has been given, like stationaries and other materials, spare parts or anything. If damaged container is damaged, then damaged container inspection has to done for the same. So if some material is awaiting, this inspection report will go directly to, once we are in receiving form, we are mentioning that this container is damaged, this will go to QA department. And then after complete formalities from QA department and from approval from QA department only, these damaged containers can be received. So QA can put remark whether this is going for separate sampling. If it is going for separate sampling, then 2 GRNs will be created. Suppose 10 containers we are receiving, 8 containers are okay, that GRN will be separate, and 2 containers QA is suggesting that this has to be sampled separately and this has to be tested also separately. That time 2 different GRNs will be created. Then this will come for weighing purpose. Whatever materials we are receiving, it will come for weighing purpose. Then GRN will be prepared. Labels will be printed directly when GRN will be prepared. So this is format for GRN. The PDF can be downloaded for prepared GRN. Here all digitally signed authorizations are mentioned. Now here you may have issue about Indian FDA, because though we are saying that this software is validated and this software is having everything in place, all data is secure, everything is okay, but till Indian FDA may ask for signing of every form, or they may ask for printouts of the form, because we have made this paperless, but this can be acceptable by other regulations, or it can be accepted. They will not raise any objection when we are giving all these authorizations and digital signatures. But Indian FDA may ask for signing of the forms properly by approving authority, or by prepared by or checked by. So in that case, if you need, you can print this form and we can give here signing column also, so that they will find that this has been printed and signed. So digitally also signed and physically also signed documents can be in place. So every time whenever we are making printout of the document, this path of generated by who has taken the printout, date and time will appear here. So it can be real-time printouts, and no one can take printouts and just make fool to others that I have not taken printout. So this is a real-time database. So this is GRN. So after receiving, material will go for dedusting. Then weighing of the material. Here are some completed materials you can see with vacuum cleaner ID and all prepared by, and dates and times. Weighing of material. So complete weighing, whatever weighing has been done, that weighing form will appear here, and then it will go for GRN preparation. Here you can see complete stock book, status of the material, whether it is under test or approved material. You can download this one or email this report to any of your client, or somebody wants, some party wants, you can send reports from there. This location chart, you can create your own location chart. And other quality system parts. Balance calibration has been given here. So daily verification of the balance, precision test, measurement uncertainty, measurement eccentricity. Then